endogenous LHF. Clomiphene will give you more. We use letrozole where we want to suppress levels of aromatase. So when we get an obese man, but now guys understand, in oat, everything is normal here. In idiopathic, everything is normal here. He's not an obese man. When an obese man comes with oats, then we have to give letrozole.
Yes.
This is what we have to learn. I'm building up this process very gradually so that all of you should just grasp it. And we'll keep making it more and more complicated as we move on.
With normal value, we also give letters, FSH,
In an obese person, you'll find that he is having deranged T by E values. His testosterone will be low and E2 will be high. So what I'm doing is I'm not making the thing so complicated that you get confused. I'm going step by step. And gradually all these layers will gradually. See, when somebody plays, when Nathan Sharansky played the game of chess, when you play a game of chess, suddenly you'll find that everything is quiet. But with one move, everything starts moving. Remember, common things common first. I'm going to common things. In a game of chess, can an elephant or anyone play chess here? You play chess here. Can an elephant or a camel? I believe they have an elephant and camel in the chess game. Camel नहीं होता. हाथी घोड़ा. Can हाथी घोड़ा होता है ना? Can they become queen? They can't become queen. Can the king become queen?
No.
Who can become queen?
Queen is a queen.
Only a soldier. As I remember,
Once they reach the
other side.
end of the line, they can convert it.
On the spot. So I always believe in being a soldier. I'm from army, being a soldier. Hathi ghode will die. They can only move zigzag. Soldier will go anywhere and kill anybody and become the queen. Am I right? गलत तो नहीं कह रहा मैं? बचपन की बात याद आ गई. So हम